Hello everyone, I'm Shayla. You are watching my Ugandan cooking channel, and if you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you.
My family, you're most welcome once again. Today I'm going to prepare eggplants in the best way. That is really so tasty and everyone should try this style.
These are the veggies we are going to add in. We are going to use chicken sausage, and our eggplants are here. So as I'm frying the chicken sausage a bit, I'll be peeling the eggplants. So now here, I'm going to fry also the eggplants. I'm now going to fry the veggies in here. So as I'm heating the saucepan, I'm going to begin chopping the sausage, adding some oil. Here I'm going to add the stems of fresh coriander. So in our pot I'm going to add eggplants. I'm going to add garlic. So on the ingredients, I'm going to put turmeric, coriander, paprika, and some salt. So I'm just going to mix it with some water, then I pour it in. And I'm going to add our chicken sausage now. And some beef masala. So my family, my veggie stew with sausage is ready. You can see it looks so yummy. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Tell me from where you're watching from. Make sure you drop a comment, and
You can serve this with rice, mushroom, spaghetti, matoke, cassava, any food that you have, it can match with it.
see you next time.